So in chemistry, we basically have three theories of acid-base. Nice. We have the one of Bronsted-Lowry Theory, we have the one of Lewis Theory, and we have the one of Arrhenius Theory. So we'll talk about this theory, three of them exhaustively now. So our number one theory is the Arrhenius Theory, which we'll be talking about now. The Arrhenius Theory. Arrhenius Theory. So this is our number one theory of our acid-base theory. Nice. So remember, like I told you before, check the link in this video to see the tutorial on bases. Okay, so you have to combine this acid and bases to actually know how this theory works. So make sure you go to watch that tutorial on bases. Nice. So Arrhenius theory are substances that react with water to form hydroxonium ions. So this young man, he defined acids, okay, as substances that combines with water to form hydroxonium ions. Okay, so I will give you an example. So he said that when HCl reacts with water, it's going to form hydroxonium ion plus chloride ion. So this is how Arrhenius defined acids. So for this young man to call an acid, that acid must react with water. And once that acid reacts with water, the acid must give a hydroxonium ion inside that water. So this is what I mean when I say hydroxonium ion. Hydroxonium ion. So this is Arrhenius theory of acids. Okay, nice. So what did this young man say about bases now? Okay. Arrhenius defined bases as substances that react with water to form hydroxides. Okay, nice. So this is what I mean by hydroxide ion. So this hydroxide now, they can be soluble, they cannot be soluble. Okay, so if they are soluble, they are called alkali. Arrhenius defined acid this way. Nice. So he defined bases as what? Substances that dissolve in aqueous solution to form hydroxides. So this hydroxide now, they can be soluble or they can be insoluble. So if they are soluble, they are called what? Alkali. So alkali is a what? Is a more soluble base. Are you following? Nice. So this is all about Arrhenius theory of acid and base. Nice. So let's talk about the Bronsted-Lowry theory of acid and base. Okay? So we have Bronsted-Lowry theory. Okay? Of acid, okay, and also of base. He defined acids as proton donors. Acids are proton donors, while he defined bases as proton acceptors. Proton acceptors. So acids are proton donors, while bases are proton acceptors. Nice. So this theory also laid emphasis on the conjugate base. On the conjugate base. Conjugate base. Base. Nice. Okay. So this conjugate base now, what does it entail? It entails that once an acid donates a proton, it forms a conjugate base. While when a base accepts a proton, it forms a conjugate acid. So an acid will form a conjugate base, while a base will form a conjugate acid. Are you following? Nice. So once this acid donates these protons, they form conjugate base. Okay. While also once this base accepts protons, they form what? Conjugate acid. So I'll give you an example also with an illustration. So we have HCl plus ammonia. Okay, it's going to give you ammonium ion plus chloride ion. Nice. So when an acid reacts with this is a base, okay, they now ionize to form this. Nice. So this was an acid here, okay, which is a proton donor. Nice. So here it was an acid, okay. Nice. So this is now the conjugate base, okay, because this acid has donated a proton. What was the proton? Hydrogen ion. Okay, so this young man lost a proton to this base. This base is a what? A proton acceptor. Is it making sense? Nice. So this base, they accept protons, but this young man, they donate protons. So HCl has donated a proton to a base, and once he did the donation, he changed to this. So this was our acid, but these are now what? Our conjugate base. Are you following? Nice. So this is a base. Okay, this is an ammonia, is a base. Nice. So this ammonia accepted the proton from the acid. Okay, nice. So this ammonia was NH3 here, or here it is now NH4. Okay, because he received the hydrogen proton from an acid. So bases are what? Okay, bases are what? Proton acceptor. So this base here accepted this proton here to form this. So this is the conjugate pair here. So here, this is a base, or here, this is a conjugate acid. Is it making sense? Nice. So an acid will give you a conjugate base, while a base will give you a conjugate acid. So that's the Bronsted-Lowry theory. Nice. So let's talk about the last theory. Okay, so the last theory is the Lewis theory. The Lewis theory. Lewis theory. Okay, of acid and base. So Lewis defined acid as simply as electron pair acceptor, and defined base as simply electron pair donor. Okay, so acids now, they basically accept electron pairs, while bases, okay, they donate electron pairs. So this is just the Lewis theory of what? Acid and base.